Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today, we are diving into 15 stunning DIY water features with stone elements designed specifically to transform a lush small front yard garden into a tranquil oasis. These projects will show you how easily you can combine natural rocks, cascading water, and vibrant greenery right outside your doorstep. If you love these ideas, please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our upcoming gardening inspiration. This magnificent feature utilizes flat pieces of natural slate layered carefully to create a dramatic teardrop for cascading water. The dark, textured tones of the slate provide a gorgeous contrast against the vibrant green ferns and mosses surrounding the base. Perfect for tight corners, this compact design delivers a rich, soothing sound that instantly masks neighborhood noise. It proves that you do not need an expansive yard to establish a mesmerizing and luxurious focal point. Three basalt pillars of varying heights are drilled through the center to allow water to gently bubble over the tops and coat the stone faces. The smooth, wet surface of the dark stone reflects the surrounding sunlight and lush foliage beautifully. This architectural element brings structure and modern elegance into a compact, heavily planted cottage garden. It operates on a hidden underground reservoir, ensuring a clean and minimalist look that maximizes your limited space. A shallow stone basin filled to the brim with polished river pebbles offers a minimalist and deeply calming aesthetic. Water wells up softly from the center, creating a gentle ripple that catches the dappled sunlight filtering through nearby trees. This design blends seamlessly into low-growing ground covers like creeping thyme or Irish moss for an organic feel. It provides a peaceful sanctuary for local birds while maintaining a neat, tidy footprint near your entryway. An antique or faux-weathered stone trough serves as the collection point for a miniature recirculating stream. Gentle water trickles from a rustic spout embedded in a small stone retaining wall, splashing softly into the deep basin below. Water hyacinths and small water lilies float elegantly on the surface to add a touch of biological life to the stone structure. This project adds a timeless, rustic charm that pairs exceptionally well with traditional or farmhouse architectural styles. Earthy terracotta pots are angled gracefully atop a rugged mound of field stones to form a step-down water cascade. As water spills from one clay vessel to the next, it creates a delightful rhythmic sound that brings the garden to life. The warm orange hues of the pottery break up the cool grays of the rocks and the deep greens of the surrounding shrubbery. It is an incredibly budget-friendly project that anyone can assemble over a single weekend with basic hardware store finds. A single, massive boulder with a naturally hollowed-out top serves as the centerpiece for this rugged water feature. Water fills the small organic depression before spilling down the weathered, moss-covered sides of the rock. Nestled among hostas and ornamental grasses, it looks as though it was placed there by nature centuries ago. This low-maintenance option adds immediate weight, history, and organic texture to a small front garden layout. Flat flagstones are stacked like a miniature staircase to guide a gentle sheet of water down into a small gravel pond. Each level creates a distinct, glass-like sheet of water before it breaks into musical splashes on the rocks below. Lush hostas and colorful coral bells flank the sides of the stone steps, framing the water beautifully. This dynamic feature adds a strong sense of movement and direction to your small front entrance walkway. Water flows down a spiral path constructed from smooth, multicolored river rocks arranged on a slight slope. The water winds its way gracefully through the stony maze before disappearing into a gravel-covered underground basin. This artistic design creates an enchanting visual rhythm that draws the eye and encourages slow, meditative contemplation. It fits perfectly into narrow garden beds running parallel to your front walkway or porch. Classic, carved limestone urn sits proudly amidst a dense bed of variegated ivy and bright impatiens. Water bubbles up from inside the urn, completely coating its carved details as it flows smoothly into a hidden base. The light tone of the limestone stands out brilliantly against darker garden corners, illuminating shady spots naturally. It brings an air of classical sophistication and timeless European elegance to a compact front garden plot. A perfectly polished granite sphere sits on a bed of rough, contrastingly textured river stones. Water emerges from the top of the globe, hugging its sleek surface as it blankets the entire sphere in a shimmering coat. The juxtaposition of the perfectly geometric ball against wild, lush ferns creates a striking contemporary aesthetic. It acts as an eye-catching modern sculpture during the day and a glowing, reflective focal point when illuminated at night. Integrated directly into a small stone retaining wall, a concealed copper pipe allows water to weep softly across the rock faces. The water creates a dark, glistening sheen on the stones while feeding tiny pockets of moss and creeping plants. This vertically oriented design occupies virtually zero ground space, making it perfect for the tightest front yards. It delivers a gentle, whispering sound that creates a deeply peaceful atmosphere right by your front door. A circular arrangement of old-world cobblestones surrounds a central bubbling water jet that rises and falls gracefully. Because there is no open standing water, it is completely safe for pets and children while remaining incredibly easy to maintain. The water splashes merrily against the rounded cobblestones, intensifying their rich, earthy colors and natural textures. It provides an inviting, sensory-rich welcome for guests as they approach your front entrance. A traditional bamboo spout gently pours a steady stream of water into a large, hollowed natural stone. The combination of hollow wood, smooth water, and rugged stone evokes a deep sense of Japanese Zen garden serenity. Japanese maples and delicate dwarf conifers provide the perfect, authentic backdrop for this minimalist installation. It infuses your front yard with a poetic, old-world charm that celebrates the beauty of natural elements. Rough-cut fieldstones are stacked neatly to mimic a natural mountain spring bubbling up from the earth. Water bubbles gently from the topmost crevices and trickles organically down multiple pathways into a hidden reservoir below. Wildflowers and native grasses grow closely around the stones, enhancing the wild, untamed woodland aesthetic of the display. This feature is perfect for homeowners who want to invite native birds and pollinators into their compact garden. large, deep, natural stone bowl is sunken flush with the ground to form a tiny, crystal-clear garden pond. A small underwater pump keeps the water moving gently, preventing stagnation and creating soft, hypnotic ripples on the surface. Marginal water plants like dwarf sweet flag grow out of the bowl edges, blending the features seamlessly into the surrounding lawn. We hope these ideas inspire your next garden project, so please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more beautiful inspirations.